Hello everyone, welcome to Kama Entertainment. This is your favorite boy, Sticky the Superstar. Today Matters Day and some of video. And then the matters we day no be big paradise in studio. This no be KSS. Yeah, this no be Kukwajushe in studio. This one be Kama Entertainment and this one is news headquarters. Yes, stay tuned. And the Chinese company will manufacture foams in this country. It has been on the market, the industrial market, the market of the sellers. Just say foam that's one that day. Ghana Standard Authority HMOA. It is not approved until nobody should buy it. Stay tuned, watch the video to the end to get the full details. So that you will also get into purchasing the same foam. You can spread this message by sharing this video, liking, comment, and then don't forget to leave us a subscription. Subscribe and put on post notification. Let me take you into the video. Ghana Standard Authority, a Chinese company, manufacture a foam in this country. And then their reason being that the company is not registered Ghana Standard Authority bukumu omunkata semuno. Names that company na manufacturers are foam. Yes, that is number one. Number two is that they are using unapproved materials. And your man foam they are using it to manufacture this foam. So they are going to shut down the company until they will change their materials foams no use polystyrene to say obibeka say polythene and polythene in a polythene situation, polythene in a polythene matter. Yes, this one will be politics, it be polythene like you bab me. They are using polystyrene. Polystyrene is kind of like adibia yede wrap and you may be home find your foam but the naso. It is not good for your health, it is not good for your civics. Climb out to your anus. Climb out to your peninsula. What I say? Travail. It is not good for the human health, for the human body. But they are using this one to manufacture foams for Ghanaians to rely on. And you cannot establish a company in Ghana here. Say you cannot establish a company over here without the authority of the Ghana Standard Authority. What I say? So you need to register your business. After registration, the materials you're going to use need to be approved by the Standard Authority. What I say? Because they are not registered in the Ghana Authority Standard. Ghana Standard Authority book. And then the materials that they are using, it is not good. And then looking at the demeanor of the CEO or the manager of the company, tells it all. Say she's very bold. She has the confidence because it seems nothing is working. Because how come you establish this big company and remember their product is already in the market? Harmony Money B is already in the market. People are purchasing it. And remember, these materials are going to be sold. Cool price. What I say? And much more. Price any latex foam and that kind of other brands of the companies that manufactures foams. Their price is not going to be the same because they are using polystyrene, and it is not good for the human health. It is not good for the human body. What I say? The Ghana Standard Authority take the powers into their own hands, approach this company and shut it down once and for all. Why don't you saying it is the right thing? Yes, to us it is the right thing because you cannot come and establish a company here. We cannot do that in China. You need to be approved by the government. Your company name needs to be registered in the Ghana Standard Authority books so that they can recognize and say, oh, there is this company which is from China. They are manufacturing foam. Approved by the GSA. What I say, Ghana Standard Authority. Not just say will be a bit more bold so not to be now the year. So it seems this one there, Ghana Standard Authority has really done a good job by approaching this company, shutting it down. So in case the person almost have BBM there, then they need to go and register and at the same time change the materials, change the polystyrene that they are using to manufacture these foams because Ghana Standard Authority it is not good for the human body. It is not good for the human body at all. So as it stands now, this company is closed and shut down until further notice. Until say they are registered and then they are ready to change the materials and equipment, the apparatus, what I say, that they are using to manufacture these kind of foams for humans and for Ghanaians to rely on. So those of you who have already bought this one, go to the comment section. We'll be leaving the company's name in the comment section for you to also know that if you're using this kind of foams, you can throw it away and buy another one. If you cannot throw it away too, you know how you will deal with it. Yes, because it is not good for your body, it's not good for your health, it is not good for you to rely on, it is not good for you to put your body on it. Yes, so the stories that we are having here is this company is being shut down, and then we give the 100% credit to Ghana Standard Authority. Share this message to all your family members, to all your loved ones, to all Ghanaians, to all Africans, that this polystyrene company that is manufacturing foams in our country has been shut down. And then if you're already using their product, just know that it is not approved by Ghana Standard Authority. There are a lot of companies in this in this country, in this continent, that they are not registered. Like they take Africa for granted. So it's we are not much more focused on the international people coming into our country to establish businesses. We know that, oh, they are perfect, they are this, they are that, and this is why they were not registered, because you cannot come into a country without the country's knowledge, establish a business without registering the company in the Ghana Standard Authority's name, and at the same time without using with this is goddamn. This is not fair, man. You can't do this in anywhere. What I say. So 100% credit to Ghana Standard Authority. Share this video to all your loved ones and your family to also get this info. Don't forget to leave us a like, and please subscribe to this amazing channel and put on post notification so that any updates you get notified on this platform. This video is brought to you by Osajefo Metals and Fabrication. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode of videos. I'm out.